Welcome to Doony Kids.
Today we will learn about some name of fruits. What is this? This is a mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. What is this? This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. What is this? This is an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. What is this? This is lychee. L-Y-C-H-E-E. Lychee. What is this? This is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. What is this? This is a pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. What is this? This is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. What is this? This is pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. What is this? This is an avocado. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Avocado. What is this? This is a coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. What is this? This is a papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. What is this? This is watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. What is this? This is strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. What is this? This is jackfruit. J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T. Jackfruit. What is this? This is guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. What is this? This is custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E. Custard apple. What is this? This is cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. What is this? This is tamarind. 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 What is this? This is blackberry. 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 What is this? This is kiwi. 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 What is this? This is apricot. 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 What is this? This is lime. 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 What is this? This is dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.